In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print tasks, lists, and docs in ClickUp. Let's start with printing a single task. Open the task you want to print so it appears in the task panel. In the top right corner of that panel, click the three-dot menu and select Print. Your browser's print dialog will open. Before you send it to paper or save it digitally, take a moment to confirm the information you need is visible. Things like the description, comments, due date, assignees, and any other details. If everything looks correct, print directly to a connected printer, or choose Save as PDF if you want a clean digital copy. This approach is perfect when you need meeting handouts, an audit trail for compliance, or a hard copy record for filing. If you want to print an entire task list or a board view, ClickUp doesn't include a built-in print entire list feature. The easiest workaround is to use your system's screenshot tool. On Windows, open the task list view, then press Windows plus Shift plus S, or open the snipping tool and select the part of the screen showing your task list. On Mac, open the task list view, press Shift plus Command plus 4, and drag to capture just the task list area. Save the screenshot as a PNG or JPG, open the image in your default viewer or editor, and print it from there. If you want a cleaner look, crop away extra interface elements before printing. This method works especially well for snapshots of Kanban boards, list views you'll reference in a meeting, or quick visual archives of your workflow. For longer form content, like meeting notes or project documentation, print or export a ClickUp doc. Open the doc from the sidebar or from your space by clicking Docs and selecting the file you need. In the document toolbar, find the export button on the right. Click Export and choose your format. Print will send the doc to your printer or PDF dialog. PDF creates a polished, shareable file. HTML or Markdown are great if you plan to reuse the content elsewhere. If you choose PDF, the output usually matches the online formatting closely, making it ideal for client emails, official records, or read-only meeting documents. To wrap up, pick the method that fits your goal. Use print on a task when you're sharing an individual issue, ticket, or deliverable. Use the screenshot approach for full list or board snapshots. Use doc export or print for meeting notes, project briefs, and SOPs. Before you print, review the content so nothing important is missing. Update descriptions and comments to reflect the latest status, and consider saving key printouts as PDFs for easy sharing and archiving. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.